Okay, setting up access to sensor access guard point demo server. So it requires client authentication, and so to do that we need to, in Postman, we need to go to settings. We then need to make sure that SSL certificate verification is on, and then we need to go to certificates. In here we in client certificates is where we add the client certificate. This will be provided in a P12 file, so if we go to add certificate, P12 or PFX are the same file. You've just got to think of it as a password encrypted zip, and in that file contains the private key and public key. So let's do that now. So we've got mobile guard default, and then the passphrase test. Let's just type that right. And then we need to tell it when to use this client certificate, on what address. So if I put sensor access dns.org and then click add, and in addition to that, because the client certificate has been signed by our own CA certificate, we need to provide Postman with that as well. So in the CA certificates we will then click append file, and we're using a file called vms1-root.cert, and that contains the sort of sensor access test CA certificate. And so when these things are done, we can close this window, and let's just try it out. Let's see if we can get a token. I'm going to click send, and then we've got our response. So if I was to get that wrong, let's take that off and then run it. I'm then going to go right, self-signed certificate in certificate chain. That's the CA certificate. Its CAs are self-signed, and it doesn't trust it, so it's not going to use it. So let's put that back on. Right. And yep, any issues, please let us know.